In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to make money online, even as a complete beginner. And if you don't know what ChatGPT is, basically, it's a language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations with it. And all that really means is that you can ask it a question to help you create articles, product reviews, or even YouTube scripts. But not only that, it's free to use and available worldwide. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to use ChatGPT to make money online. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post videos every single week with different money-making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week that could have been a video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is go to openai.com, and then you just want to scroll down and you're going to click on Try ChatGPT, create a free account, and then sign in. Once you've created an account and signed in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And there's going to be 2 ways that you can start a conversation with the AI. Either you can start a conversation here, or if you're already in a conversation, you can just go up into the top left corner and click on New Chat. And then you'll be able to start a completely new conversation. So let's start with the first way that you can use it to make money, and that's going to be Amazon affiliate marketing. You're going to need a website, something just like this, but don't worry guys, I am going to show you exactly how to create a website just like this a little bit later on. But before I show you how you can do that, let me show you exactly what we're going to be doing with Amazon affiliate marketing. Here, this website has a list of the best laptops, and you see that there's a list of 15. Now, if we go to one of these, which is number 1, the MacBook Air M2, they have 2 links here. Well, if you look at the post, if you look at the article first, if you look through the post, there's going to be features, prices, pros, and cons in regards to the Apple MacBook Air. And if we scroll back up to the top, as you can see here, there's going to be 2 links. One is going to lead out to Amazon and the other is going to lead out to Best Buy. So they're actually affiliate at both Amazon and also Best Buy, but we're talking about being an affiliate with Amazon. So we're just going to click through this link here. And as you can see, here's the Apple MacBook Air here. And if anyone purchases this product through that link, then the creator of that blog is going to get an affiliate commission. And another good thing about this, the reason I picked computers is because as you can see, computers has really high prices. So the commission turnout is going to be high. And this is basically the same thing that we're going to be doing. And the way we're going to create that website or that blog, we're going to use this website here called system.io. So when you come to this website, just go up here and click sign in and create an account. And once you sign up and log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And we want to create a blog. So just come up here into the menus and just click blog. And then you want to click create new. And now the only thing that we want to do is name our blog. So we could just name it affiliate blog. And for your URL path, you can just put something like home. This is basically going to be the link for your blog. So we could just call it home. And then if we look down here, they actually have done for you templates. So you could pick whichever one you want the best layout. To me, this looks kind of sort of like an affiliate layout. I kind of like the way it's laid out. So I'm just going to click select template and then save. And that's pretty much the only thing you have to do. The blog is actually done for us. So now the only thing that you have to do is log into the blog. So you just want to click on this and we could change our text and images. If I was to go here and hit view blog, and just scroll down the page, you see it's really nice, really clean and laid out for us. This right here is all filler images and text, and we could customize everything here, and I'm going to show you how we can do that. So to edit that, these right here are the posts. As you can see, we have a total of 6 posts on that blog. So we're just going to come here and click on one, and that's going to bring us over to the editor. And to change anything, you would just click on it and change it. So like if I was to change the text here, I would just highlight it, and I'll just say something like this is a test. And then I would just click save changes. And if I wanted to preview it and just scroll down a little bit, as you can see, it populated. And it's really that simple. You don't even need a domain. They already give you one, and this is all for free. Now let's just say I wanted to add my affiliate marketing products to this page or post. How would I go about doing that? And how would I actually go about finding products to add to my blog post? And the first thing that you want to do there is just go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and sign up for the Amazon Associates program. So that's the first step that you want to do. The next thing you want to do is find the list of products, and we can use ChatGPT to do that. As you can see here, I just asked ChatGPT to give me a list of the top 10 most popular laptops. And again, the reason I'm asking for laptops is because laptops have a really high commission. So once you actually have a list here of the top 10 laptops, you can just fact check them. Like the Apple MacBook Air, if we were to go ahead and copy this. And the reason you want to fact check them, because if you look here are the top 10 most popular laptops as of my knowledge cutoff in 2021. So ChatGPT was actually updated last in 2021 in regards to the top 10 most popular laptops. That's why you want to fact check them. But to fact check them is really easy. You could just go down a list. In this case, I just started with number 1. I went over to Google and I just said Apple MacBook Air latest version. And I just went ahead and clicked on this link to open up the actual Apple Store. And if we look here, that's the M1 chip. This is the one that we have in our list. And the latest version here is the M2 chip. So the MacBook Air M2 chip. And that's really the only thing that you have to do to fact check them. And then you could just come back over to ChatGPT and make any updates. And also, if you look at this list here, if we go back to the blog that I showed you before, the list has almost the same products. It even has the Apple MacBook Air as number 1. And once you have the list, you want to ask ChatGPT to write you a blog post on this product, at least 300 words with the user features, benefits, pros, and cons. So that's what I asked ChatGPT, and you want to do this for each product. So I just asked GPT, starting with the first one, give me a blog post on this product, the Apple MacBook Air M1. And I asked it to make it 300 words long with the user features, benefits, pros, and cons. And if we look through here, it's got everything laid out for me. Here are the pros, and everything is really laid out. It's got all the features, pros, and cons. And now that we got our post, we just want to take and copy this whole post. And we're just going to paste that inside a Google Doc. And then you could get Google Images to put the images in here. And then what you want to do is just go back to ChatGPT and do the same thing for each laptop on your list. And remember, just get the images and everything and upload them to your blog. And then once you sign up for the affiliate program with Amazon, you want to get your affiliate link and put your affiliate link in your blog post that's going to link out to the product. So this way, when people read your blog post and they decide to make a purchase, you're going to get a commission. Now, before you publish your article, you always want to make sure that you check it for grammar and also check it for plagiarism. So I went ahead and I pasted that one article that we had ChatGPT to write for us in regards to the Apple MacBook Air. And as you can see, that's a total of 377 words. And if you take that times 10, that's about 3,700 words. And that's going to help us to rank on the front page of Google. And that's actually how people find your blog post. Because when I looked on Google for the top 10 most popular laptops, if I scroll down a little bit, this is the article that popped up. So if I go ahead and open this up, as you can see, this is exactly what we'll be doing. Best laptops 2023, 15 best laptops you can buy. So once you have your blog post up and you have a list of your computers with the user benefits, pros, and cons, whoever's reading your blog and click through to the affiliate link can make an informed decision. And if they purchase, you will make money. So if I just scroll back down here and if I go ahead and open Amazon back up and go ahead and decide to purchase this product, which as you can see here is $1,149, which is the same thing that you would be doing, you're going to be making money every time somebody buys through your affiliate link. So that's one of the first ways that you can use ChatGPT to make money online. And the second way that we're going to use it to make money is starting an e-commerce business, more specifically using ChatGPT to find a winning product. So what you want to do is just come back to ChatGPT. If you still have the conversation in regards to the top 10 most popular laptops, what you want to do is just go up into the upper left corner and click New Chat. And that's going to bring us back to our dashboard. And we're just going to go down here to start a new conversation. So now basically what we're going to ask ChatGPT is to give us the 3 best e-commerce categories. So I just asked ChatGPT to give me the 3 best e-commerce categories. And as you can see, it gave me fashion and apparel, health and beauty, home and garden. And it even told me that fashion and apparel is one of the largest e-commerce categories. So the only thing that you have to do here is to pick one of the categories that you want to work with. And I'm just going to say health and beauty. So now I just asked ChatGPT to give me 3 of the most popular products on health and beauty. And then it gave me skincare products, makeup, and hair care products. And this is really broad, so we can't work with anything here. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to be more specific on something like, let's say, foundations. So be more specific and give me foundation examples. And he gave me 3 foundations. And now that we got our products, we want to check the products and make sure that they're in demand. So we want to make sure that they're being bought and what people are actually saying about them. And to do that, we're going to use 2 websites. That's going to be AliExpress and Amazon. So first we're going to go to AliExpress and just put in the search bar foundation, and then just click on orders because you want to see the most frequently bought ones. And then just make sure that you check this box off because you want the ones that's rated 4 stars and up. And right off the back, if I scroll down a little bit, this one here has been sold more than 2,000 times. It has a 4.5 star rating and it has free shipping. And this is a product that we could check on Amazon to see if there's a demand for it. And if it is, we can make a lot of money from this product. So what I'm going to do is just copy this and I'm going to go over to Amazon and paste that into the search. And on Amazon, they just use a private label. So they don't use the AliExpress brand. They just change the labeling. So it's just named differently. And on here, people are selling it as high as $14.99 and as low as $9.99. So they're making a lot of money on this product. And it's really important that you do this process. This is how you're going to find out how these products are actually ranking, how many sales they're making, and if they're actually in demand. This way you find out which products are actually selling the most. And then you also know that they're actually in Amazon, so people are actually buying these products. If you look here, you can find out what people are actually saying about them, and not everybody that purchased the product is going to leave a review. But here you have 18,000 reviews, and here you have 1,847 reviews. So this is a product that's definitely in demand. And once you find a product that you actually want to buy, since we're actually already on AliExpress, you can just buy from this manufacturer, find out the retail price, and then list it on Amazon for sale. And the third way to use ChatGPT to make money online is going to be ClickBank affiliate marketing. So you just want to go over to ClickBank and sign up for a free account. And once you log in, you just want to make sure that you're in the marketplace and then just select top offers. And now that we're in the marketplace, over here to the left, you're going to see that you have a list of categories. And you just want to choose one. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go with e-business and e-marketing. And then you want to sort the products from high to low. And basically this is going to sort them from the highest gravity score down to the lowest gravity score. The higher the gravity score means how well these products are actually selling. And if they're selling well or selling a lot, that increases your chances of selling this product also. So now you just want to choose one. I'm going to go with live chat jobs. And as you can see, I'll be getting $56.95 per sale. So I'm just going to highlight and copy live chat jobs. And then I'm just going to go back over to ChatGPT and I'm going to go into the upper left corner and click new chat. And then I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to create 10 chapters of an ebook on the topic live chat jobs. And you can ask ChatGPT to create this around any product that you're selling. And as you can see, we get the introduction to live chat jobs, types of live chat jobs, getting started with live chat jobs. So we got a total of 10 chapters here and it wrote everything out for us. And now the only thing that we want to do is copy this and we're going to paste it into a Google Doc. And then we're just going to go to File, Download, and we want to download this as a PDF document. And now that we get our ebook, now we want to create an ebook cover. And to do that, we're going to use Canva. So just go to canva.com and then you want to go into the upper right corner and click on Create Design and just type in ebook cover. And over here, you got a lot of free templates that you can choose from, but I'm just going to choose this one, just a basic design. And you can completely customize this entire template. If I wanted to go ahead and delete this, I would just highlight it or just click on it and click delete. I could also change the title. I would just highlight this and type in live jobs. You could change this also if you want. You could say get live jobs. So you can customize this whole template. I'm just going to keep it simple for the sake of the video. Once you finish customizing your ebook cover, you just want to go into the upper right corner and click share. And then you want to download it and download. Now that you got your ebook and your ebook cover, you need a landing page. And we're going to offer this for free. We're not going to be selling the ebook. You're going to be offering this for free to people so that you can grab their emails and then put them into an automated email sequence so that you can send them your ClickBank links. So let's do it step by step. So first, we just want to go back over to system.io and you can start off at your dashboard. But this time, instead of selecting blogs, we're going to be creating a landing page. So just select funnels. And then you want to select create. And then we could just name it. Now say something like ebook And now it's asking us what we want to do, and we want to build an audience. And then you will simply come down here and select your currency and save. And you want to select build an audience because we're looking to capture emails. So now we just want to click on ebook so we can open up the website. And here are the templates for you to choose from. There's a lot of free ones that you can use. That's why I really like this website. And I'm just going to choose one that looks like it's laid out for the ebooks. And I really like this one. So I'm just going to click select. And now we want to edit it. So we're just going to click this little wand here. And now we can edit or customize this whole landing page. To do that, if we wanted to change the image first, we would just click on it. And then we would come over here to image file, and we just want to click on upload, and we're going to select the file that we just downloaded from Canva. Here we go here, open it, and boom, we have our ebook cover. So we're just going to insert it. And you would do the same thing for the text. So if you wanted to come here and change this, let's say I wanted to change this text here, I would just highlight it and do the same thing. So I just said something like click here for a free ebook on how to get live jobs. And again, this is just for a demonstration, but you might want to put a little bit more time into it. I just don't want to make the video too long. And from there, you would just click Save Changes, and then you could go ahead and preview the page. And as you can see, click here for a free ebook on how to get live jobs. And here's our ebook cover, and then you would just customize the rest of the page. This landing page is going to give you a professional look, and it's also going to help you collect the email addresses from people that have shown some type of interest in your content. And once you've automated your landing page, you can automatically send out the ebook whenever someone enters their email address. You can also set up an email sequence so that you can automatically send out all of your ClickBank affiliate links that lead to your products. And anytime someone makes a purchase through those affiliate links, you get paid and you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.